Out here at Junkie's Barbecue right now. Fucking dope. Look at all this shit. All right. Guess this will be my office. Holy shit, look at that. Truck beds with tables and shit on them. I reckon this is where I'll be tonight. There's motorcycle parking. Some cool shit. I think this is another stage that'll roll out to the middle here.